Hello! Today we would like to introduce you to the Python script MSWord. It helps you to transfer measurement results with all views and measurement parameters to a Word template in a matter of seconds. You can download the script from the NADA homepage. You will also find a description of the script in the doc directory of the unzipped script folder. You can find out how to install scripts and the script launcher in general on our YouTube channel. So we start the script launcher and then the script MSWord or MSLM doc. First, we check the setting. Here we can select a template, for example. But for now, we remain in the default setting. If we now activate the script stops the measurement process and asks where and under which name the result should be saved. We create a new folder to keep things tidy. You can also transfer an individual text for the measurement report here. Then the script first creates a screenshot of the current view. Afterward, it makes the individual views full screen and also creates screenshots of them. All screenshots and settings are transferred to the report. Now we can reduce the script launcher and continue measuring with Run. We can view and edit the measurement report just generated directly on the SignalShark using the Wordpad integrated in the Windows operating system. To do this, we go to Windows, into the corresponding directory, and double-click to open the document in Wordpad. We see the individual text, and then the screenshots with their respective measurement parameters. Finally, some general information about the device. Wordpad warns us in the yellow line that it cannot display everything, but it is very helpful for the general view and for some text input. Of course, you can now edit the document completely on the desktop PC, and you can also see the logos here. We can also edit the template for the measurement report there and adapt it to the corporate identity of a company. For the second measurement report, we modified the template and copied it to the SignalShark. This can now be selected in the script setting. And here is a new measurement report on the PC with a customized template and the new measurement results. And if you are tired of transferring the measurement results back and forth via USB stick, SignalShark has an integrated Windows computer. Connected to your network, of course in consultation with your IT department, share SignalShark's data storage with the network, and then everything goes even easier. Most NADA SignalShark's Python scripts are not only free, but also open source, so you can customize them to your individual needs. Have fun with SignalShark now, your NADA Safety Test Solutions.